Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to graph the remaining trigonometric functions. So I'm going to go to y equals and recall that tangent has its own key, so I can do tangent of x. And if I graph that, I get the periodic function tangent of x. I'm going to zoom in. That looks a little bit too zoomed out. So that's the graph of tangent x. If I want the other ones, keep in mind that in order to get cosecant, secant, or cotangent, I have to use 1 over either sine, cosine, or tangent. So let's do cotangent. Let's do 1 divided by tangent x. And that graph looks like this. If I want cosecant, I need to do 1 divided by sine of x. So the graph of cosecant looks like this. And if I want to do the graph of secant, I have to do 1 divided by cosine x. And secant x looks like this. All right, and I can zoom out so we get a better idea what that looks like. And that's how you can graph the 4 remaining trigonometric functions.